So I gotta share a secret. This is my first time making this.
Crafty caboodle. Let's get crafty today.
Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Caboodle. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a Christmas wreath. It is super simple to do and looks fabulous on your door or wherever you want to put it. All right, let's get started. So here's everything that you are gonna need. You're gonna have to purchase a wreath frame. Now these come in different sizes. There's a small, medium, and then I also saw like a larger one too at Michael's. And then you're gonna need some wire. I did purchase this at Michael's as well. They were having a sale on both items, which was awesome. Right, so to decorate your wreath, I actually got all of this stuff at Trader Joe's because they were having a holiday wreath kind of section, which was awesome because you can get all of the little things yourself. Plus they had these really cool decorative sticks there. They also had these red berries. So these are actually real, which was awesome. You can also use the fake ones, and these I got at Michael's. They also had these beautiful olive leaves. Those are gonna be really, really cool to add on. And then some eucalyptus. I love the smell of eucalyptus, so I had to get that too. Okay, you guys, let's get building. So what you wanna do first, you wanna grab your frame. All right, let's go ahead and just unwind a little bit. And then you're gonna go ahead and grab a section of your wreath frame and just put a little bit of wire right here. So this is just so it'll stay put, it won't unravel, which I don't think it will because it's wire. All right, on to our greenery and our berries. So when you purchase them at Trader Joe's, this is what it comes in, like a little baggie, plus they're huge. It'll cover our whole entire wreath frame, and that's not what you want. You don't want these to be bigger than your frame. So I went ahead and I cut some already. So here are the sizes that you kind of want. So this is gonna go perfectly around our frame. We're gonna do bundles, and then we're gonna put each bundle around the frame. It's so easy. I would say just grab a whole bunch of just random like greenery. So I don't know the exact names of these, but these two are different. So I'm gonna go put one in the back, one in the front. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these just like that. Beautiful olive leaves. I'm gonna put some of these that I've cut. And then of course, eucalyptus. This smells wonderful. I put this actually in my shower. All right, and then I'm gonna lay that on there. How beautiful is this little bundle? All right, you guys, so I'm gonna lay this right where the wire is at, going outward this way. And then with your wire, just wrap it around just a couple times. All right, there we go. And I'm gonna continue doing that all the way around our frame. All right, you guys, I'm doing the very last section, which is right here. So you just kind of carefully have to put that in. There we go. Onto the decorative sticks. These are gonna look so awesome in here. All right, everyone, here's what the wreath looks like. I absolutely love it. So I gotta share a secret. This is my first time making this. And it turned out so cool. Really love the red berries in there and the stick. So if you want to purchase this from Trader Joe's, I got 2 of the big packets of the greenery, 2 of the red berries, 1 eucalyptus, and 1 of the olive leaf, and then 1 of these sticks. And this is the wreath that you will get. I kind of wish I would have gotten 1 more packet of the greenery just to kind of fill it in just a little bit more. But I think it turned out great. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, please. Subscribe to see more videos like this. And until next time, bye.